In this video, I will show you guys step by step how to promote affiliate links on Pinterest correctly, step by step. This video will be an easy and quick tutorial for people who are interested to start promoting affiliate links on Pinterest and earn commissions. Make sure to watch this video until the end. If you guys skip one step, this business will be really difficult for you and you can start making commissions like this. Just last month, I made $16,972 in commission promoting my affiliate links on Pinterest. I will share with you my methods, my strategies, and so much more. And I already received this payment in my PayPal account, so it's already paid. So I know exactly how to do it, and I will share with you how you can do it too. Okay. Step number one, you need first to join any affiliate marketing program that you are interested to start with. So for me, I'm using Fiverr affiliate marketing business. You guys can go to Google, search for Fiverr if you are interested to join Fiverr affiliate marketing programs. Search for on Google for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So you just need to come to this page and scroll down like this, go to company and click over here on affiliate. You will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you guys can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. From my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever because they are really paying good commissions. You can earn up to $150 for just one. For some services, the commission rate is up to $150. Okay, so it's really a lot of money. You can get just one person to sign up and use your service from your affiliate link, and you will earn up to $150. The best part is each time this person make a transaction on Fiverr, you will get commission for the next 12 months, which makes this business the profitable affiliate marketing business. Anyway, just click here on join now and you will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. All you have to do, you just need to sign up by using your first name, last name, email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. If you have a website, you can say yes. If you don't have, you can say no. Choose your country and choose your language. Okay, if you have a Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, just click on next and that's it. Sign up process is super easy and simple. And after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliate. So this will be your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard. So what you will do next, you need to choose good services that you will promote on Pinterest. Okay, you need to choose good services. So I will share with you one of my profitable services that I'm promoting on Pinterest to earn commissions. So what you will do next, you will go back to your home page on Fiverr. Go back to your home page on Fiverr like this. Click on the search for Pinterest. Search for Pinterest SEO. Okay, search for this one, Pinterest SEO. This service is really a profitable service that I'm promoting on Pinterest. So why I choose this one? So since we will use Pinterest to promote our affiliate links, we will use services related to Pinterest, services that can help people to grow their Pinterest account, to help people who are using Pinterest to grow their businesses and grow their Pinterest account, to get more, maybe make more sales or get more traffic or any business that they are promoting on Pinterest. Okay, so search for Pinterest SEO, scroll down. I want you to pay close attention in this step. Always choose good sellers. Choose sellers who has a lot of reviews, like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, Fiverr choice, and those sellers who has a lot of reviews. Why you need to choose good sellers? Because people who will click on your affiliate link, they will check the profiles of those sellers. They will check the feedback of those sellers. If those sellers are good sellers, they have good reviews, those people also will trust those sellers and they will buy the service from you and you will earn commission. Okay, so let's choose one to show you exactly how it works. For example, this one, you guys can see this seller is a really good one. It's from Fiverr Choice. Okay, this one was recommended by Fiverr, which is really good. He has almost 5 star, a lot of reviews. I will click on his service like this. Just click on the service that you want to use. You will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. This seller has 14 orders in queue. This is the proof. This is the proof that those services are working and that people are buying those services. Okay, so which people will buy this service? For people who are keep saying in the comment it's not working, it's waste of time. What are you talking about? You see here 14 orders in queue. You see over 500 reviews, over 500 people paid for this service. People keep coming back, meaning that the seller is providing good service for his customers. Which people will buy this one? Of course, just and only people who are using Pinterest, people who are interested to grow their Pinterest account and grow their businesses. Okay, this is the proof. Anyway, what you will do next, you will copy the link of this seller profile, copy the profile seller link, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click over here. You have dashboard, you have marketing tools. Click on marketing tools like this, click on default and dip links, and you will be directly in this page. Click on dip link. Let me show you. Click on dip link and put this seller profile link here and click on save. And here you go, you just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. And what you will do next, you just need to start promoting this link on Pinterest, and I will show you step by step how we can do it. So the last step is you need to go to Pinterest, to your Pinterest homepage, to your Pinterest account, and Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors. Yes, 1 billion monthly visitors. You guys can get so much traffic from Pinterest if you do it correctly and if you follow those steps. Millions of people every single day are searching for specific services, products using Pinterest. So be the one who will promote the services and start making commissions. So what you will do next, click on home feed, click on create pin. You will be directly in this page. Go back to this seller profile page, scroll down. This seller has a video which is really good. You guys can use video. Let's check.
Attention! If you want to expand your online presence and reach more customers, don't overlook Pinterest. With its massive user base and search engine capabilities,
you see, the video is really good. Is explaining why you should, for people who are using Pinterest, why they really need this service to grow their businesses. Okay, so double click on the video and click on save video. Okay, save this video to your laptop like this. And what you will do next, you need to go back to Pinterest like this. Okay, and click over here and upload this video that you download from Fiverr about Pinterest.
Attention! If you want to expand your online presence,
Open, and here you go. You need to put title and description. Go back to this seller profile page and copy his title like this, and go back to Pinterest and put this title over here. Description, go back to this seller profile page, scroll down. You should see about this gig. This is his description. So I will copy this part to show you guys how we can do it. Go back to Pinterest and put this description here. Scroll down, you need to put your affiliate link here. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. For you guys, if you just started and if you just created your Fiverr affiliate account, you guys can't see this option Fiverr Stay Pay Old Plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate accounts. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years now, and I still have this option. For you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro New Plan. You just need to copy your affiliate link from here. Go back to Pinterest, put your affiliate link here, and that's it. Click on choose a board. If you have new accounts, click on create a board, and you just need to give it a name, and that's it. I will choose this one, Pinterest, for me. I created a lot. You need to put here your keywords, your tags related to this service that you are promoting about Pinterest SEO. Okay, I will copy just those keywords here on this title, and they will go back to Pinterest and they will put those keywords here. Okay, and after you finish, click those keywords. They are not important. What you need to focus on is your title and your description and your pictures or your video that you are using. That's what you need to focus on. Okay, after you finish, click on publish, and here you go. Your affiliate link will be published on Pinterest like this. Okay, so you just need to wait few seconds, and there you go. You see, and it's published. Okay, so that's how we can that's how we can correctly promote affiliate links on Pinterest using free traffic without investing any money in paid ads. Okay, this will be your picture, this will be your so let me show you. We stop this video here. This will be your affiliate link from here, and this will be your data. Okay, and like I said in my videos, always guys, check after you upload your pins. After 2 days, get back to this pin and check how many clicks this pin got, how many impressions. If this pin got a lot of clicks or lots of impression, double it. Okay, keep promoting more services like this, exactly like this service that got a lot of clicks and a lot of impressions. That's how we can start making commissions. Okay, you need to stay consistent. Like I said, the business model is clear. I show you exactly how we can do it, how we can promote those services on Pinterest. People, I show you the proof. People already buying those services. Okay, people who are using Pinterest, they are really interested to buy this service from you. You just need to promote it correctly, like this way I show you in this video. Okay, thank you so much for watching. For people who are asking, do I have any affiliate marketing course? Yes, I do. For people who are interested, you guys can reach out to me in my email address, and I will get back to you step by step and explaining to you this process. Also, you can check my last videos that I uploaded in my YouTube channel. I shared a lot of free methods, free strategies that's still working now, and the proof that a lot of people already got commissions, and a lot of people they are sending me emails thanking me for sharing those services. One of you guys made over $3,000 in this with this affiliate marketing business that I shared in my YouTube channel, and a lot of people also made few dollars, and they are still making money. They find the niche that's working for them, and they keep promoting those niches and staying consistent. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching again, and see you in my next videos.